Having product attributes hidden, though, can be dependent based on the specific cabinet you may want to show something. For example, this base garbage cabinet. On your typical accessory, you don't want it to show on every single cabinet as a default to have it hidden or to have it being shown. So in this particular case, you can unhide and show it on one specific cabinet. So say for example you want it to show here, but not to be default shown on everything else. Simply navigate to your product, open the base garbage cabinet. Now on your attributes tab, scroll down to where you find accessories and inserts. Click on edit overrides and tell it to show on this specific product. Check the ones that you would like to have available, like you would not want a Lazy Susan, for example, and you wouldn't want none on a garbage cabinet. So select the default and hit save and return to product. Now if we go back to our order page where we select on the garbage cabinets, we are able to see that that application has now taken place. So now you can choose either trash can 1 or 2. This is an example of an edit override. You can do edit overrides for any of the product attributes on a product level. Say for example on this one cabinet, I want construction method to be hidden for some reason. Simply check edit overrides, hit show, save changes, and you're done. You can do that to any of the specific attributes that you want. You're also able to see which attributes are being hidden or shown from this attributes tab based on this little eyeball. If it's crossed out, it means that it's not being seen. If there isn't one there, then that means it's visible.